Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung S95D 55-inch HDR OLED Smart TV 2024 is an impressive addition to the world of home entertainment, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. The OLED panel delivers stunning picture quality, characterized by deep blacks and vibrant colors that truly bring your favorite movies and shows to life. The high dynamic range, HDR, support enhances the contrast, making even the darkest scenes detailed and immersive, while bright highlights pop with clarity. One of the standout features of the S95D is its exceptional upscaling capabilities. Whether you're watching older content or standard definition broadcasts, the AI-enhanced upscaling technology transforms the visuals into near 4K quality, ensuring that everything looks sharp and captivating. Coupled with a 120Hz refresh rate, fast-paced action scenes are smooth and free from motion blur, making it an ideal choice for sports enthusiasts and gamers alike. The Smart TV interface is intuitive, allowing users to easily navigate through various apps and streaming services. The integrated Premiere movie streaming service adds significant value, offering a diverse library of films and shows right at your fingertips. The remote control is also designed for convenience, featuring dedicated buttons for popular streaming platforms, further simplifying the viewing experience. Sound quality is another highlight of the S95D, with built-in speakers that deliver surprisingly robust audio. The support for Dolby Atmos creates a surround sound experience that complements the visual excellence, immersing viewers in the content. In terms of design, the sleek and minimalist aesthetic of the S95D, with ultra-thin bezels, makes it a stylish addition to any room. Additionally, the TV supports various mounting options, allowing for versatile placement. Overall, the Samsung S95D 55-inch HDR OLED Smart TV is an outstanding choice for anyone seeking a top-tier home entertainment experience. With its stunning visuals, user-friendly interface, and impressive sound, it's a worthy investment for cinephiles and casual viewers alike.